one that goes with it.
Thank you, Carrie. You're welcome. You did a good job.
I got a new one.
Yeah, this is where all the bolts and everything go that I have.
Yeah.
That I can play on this.
I think you should. Now what do you want to open, Carrie?
I know. I think it's
Open
some
it up.
kind of buildable thing, like Legos. Legos. It's Legos. It's either it's Legos. It's SpongeBob Legos. I knew it.
I think I like that paper. It's
A
better
video
than
game.
shreds.
Bro!
That's nice paper.
Ah! I like
Yeah.
this game. I like
Yeah.
this game.
Alright, Carly, open something
You're
up.
welcome.
This one.
I don't care.
Yeah, Carly, I'll let you play these too. Look at that! It's a little Play-Doh.
That's the line for present, I think.
Look at it, Carly. It's
It's a Play-Doh set. And a drum, I guess.
Keep an eye on Sasha. She might rip the toy to shreds.
Carrie.
All right, put it beside you. Look at all the stuff that's in it.
Yeah.
No.
Wait, now it's Carrie's turn.
Well, Mom and Dad better hop to their other presents.
No, you go ahead and open another one.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Frosty.
No.
Open
That one's last.
What isn't it? A
We'll
gas
see.
car.
No, open the box.
Let me judge sizes.
Carrie, they're all gonna get open, so just start opening.
That one. Yes.
Heaviness. It's a Game Boy game. Or a DS game. DS game. The DS game. I was right. I got all the yeses right. I'm a genius, huh? But I don't have a DS anymore. Well,
Yeah, you do.
I can play you guys.
No, I have a DS.
No, it's Dad's. But I'll borrow it when I need it, right?
You can have it back now.
No, it's Dad's. This is what Michael got.
Yeah.
Carly, open another one.
Okay. My
It's where you
turn.
get to be the Pokemon. I've seen him play it.
This one.
Yeah, that's fine.
Final box. Which means I know what this is. Huh.
What is it, Carly?
I think it's something.
Mommy and Daddy got you that one. I remember. Look at it. Elmo Live.
Push his foot.
Push his foot.
Elmo just wanted to say that Elmo loves you. This is what I wanted.
Yeah, you got it Elmo Live. Somebody's enjoying herself.
Okay, Carrie.
Peter.
Is that like a game system?
I don't know.
Stop guessing and just start opening presents.
Yes, game. I know it. It's Spore, isn't it? It's Spore. I guarantee it's Spore. I
It's a
guessed it.
guessing.
I actually guessed the game. Spore. Alright, Carly, open your present. Thank you, Mom.
I will open.
Move the paper out your way.
Honey, why don't you go there and move it?
Yeah, Mom, in this game you create your own creature.
Snowman first.
Okay, open it.
This is
Create,
the
guide, and
last
nurture your
one.
creature.
Yeah.
Look at
Just
that.
rip the paper, Carly.
Yeah, just rip the paper, sweetie.
Yeah, Mom, look at that
Yes,
creature. Look at that.
You can make your own creatures and talk to Chance about it.
Yeah, but his is messed up. He says his 4 features is all messed up.
Rip it.
Oh, you trade creatures over Wi-Fi too.
What is it?
Why does she always
Yeah.
say Dididadora?
That's what she likes to say.
Dad can,
Is it for brushing
if
teeth?
this has more than one file on it, just
Dash
ask
that stuff on top of that.
Well, if this has more than one file,
There.
so what's in the big file?
You have to wait and see.
Open something else. Now it's Perry's turn.
Okay, it's okay.
What is it?
Right now, I have no idea.
Yes.
Oh.
Shake it.
Yes, every single time. Just open it. Open.
I think I know what it is, isn't it? It's that baby. It's Connect. I knew it. It's that toy box of it. Just like you wanted. The toy box of this.
You have a drum and Play-Doh all in one.
Drum and Play-Doh all in one. It rhymes.
Yeah. Really cool, huh?
Thank you.
It's from Santa, Daddy, and Mommy.
Okay. Your turn, Carly.
Look at that car. And that airplane. And that tower. And that.
I will open this one.
Okay.
Look at the motorcycle.
Okay, open Scooby-Doo
They have a
then.
motorcycle and a Ferris wheel and a boat.
Of? No. They're just stickers.
Why would they be this whole book of them too?
You got a whole book of stickers.
Yeah.
Alright, Perry, your turn.
Well, that's unfair. She got a tiny present. What's this? Open it. This is odd wrapping.
Santa got me a sticker book.
No, Mommy and Daddy got you a sticker book.
Oh, that's
It has a lot of
an
stickers.
electric coin count.
Thanks,
Yeah, you know
Mom.
how you always have change?
It'll tell you how much you have.
Yes.
Thanks, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Oh, I wanted this, Dad.
Did Dad get one of these or something?
No, he got something else.
Like that.
Is it good, Coco?
What's she having? A bone?
Yeah. We have to buy those again next year instead of the big huge
My
ones.
turn.
Why are you gonna buy those?
For them to chew on? Oh,
Oh,
whatever, Perry.
Thanks, Mom.
Ooh, why did Santa only give me one present?
We can wrap with
This one's not safe. This one's not yours.
Carly, your turn.
Open your present, Carly.
My last one.
No, you got lots.
Look to that side, Carly. Got a few. This one.